Alright, people. 5 paces from the target, you get your 3 o'clock throw. 5 paces, you get your 6 o'clock throw. 5 paces, you get your 6 o'clock throw. 5 paces, you can get your 9 o'clock throw. Well, I want to get a little bit straighter. See if I can get a little bit straighter. Oh, that's making me nasty. Alright, I'm staying too close. I see the problem. I've got 4 paces. Get back here to 5. There we go. Get your 9 o'clock. 6 paces. Get your 12 o'clock. Right there. Get your 12 o'clock. 6 paces. With a solid tomahawk. Got a little online contest coming up, so I was out here practicing. So, that's how that goes. Anyway, thank you.